Hello everyone, welcome to Hindi Word. In this video, you will get to know the difference between chahata and chahiye, how and when we use these in the sentences. If you want to explore more Hindi videos like this, go and check out my channel and all the links of previous videos are in the description box. Let's get started. First, we will get to know about chahata. Chahata means to wish or to want. Chahata focuses on emotion or interest. It shows what a person wants to do or feels like doing. It's optional. You may want something, but it is not urgent. Chahata word is used for male and chahati word is used for female, as our Hindi language is based on gender. For example, I want to watch a movie. मैं एक फिल्म देखना चाहता हूँ फॉर मेल पर्सन. मैं एक फिल्म देखना चाहती हूँ फॉर फीमेल पर्सन. These sentences are separate for male person and female person. Next is I want to go there. मैं वहाँ जाना चाहता हूँ for male person. मैं वहाँ जाना चाहती हूँ for female person. Next is I want to meet you. मैं आपसे मिलना चाहता हूँ फॉर मेल पर्सन. मैं आपसे मिलना चाहती हूँ फॉर फीमेल पर्सन. नेक्स्ट इज आई वॉन्ट टू ईट चॉकलेट. मैं चॉकलेट खाना चाहता हूँ फॉर फीमेल. मैं चॉकलेट खाना चाहती हूँ. वन मोर एग्जाम्पल इज हियर. आई वॉन्ट टू गिव हिम अ न्यू वॉच. मैं उसे एक नई घड़ी देना चाहता हूँ. नेक्स्ट इज मैं उसे एक नई घड़ी देना चाहती हूँ. आई होप you understood the uses of chahata and chahati by doing these sentences. Before we move on, let me remind you of something. I'll explain in the previous video. In Hindi, want sentences can start with either मैं or मुझे, depending on what comes after the word want. If the sentence is followed by a verb like going, eating, playing, etc., then we use मैं. For example, I want to play. For male person, मैं खेलना चाहता हूँ. और for female person, मैं खेलना चाहती हूँ. Because playing is an action, we use मैं. But if the sentence is followed by a noun like water, book, phone, etc., then we use मुझे. For example, I want water. मुझे पानी चाहिए. This sentence will remain same for male person or for female person. Because water is a thing, we use मुझे. Hope you understood the uses of मैं and मुझे in these sentences. So always remember, if you are using verb in the sentence, then ended the sentence with chahata and chahati. If there is a noun in the sentence, then sentence should be end with the chahiye only. Now you will get to know about chahiye. Chahiye means to need or should have. Chahiye focuses on necessity or requirement. It shows what is necessary, needed or expected. It's important. You cannot do anything without it. For example, I need water. मुझे पानी चाहिए. These sentences will remain same for male person or for female person. Next, he needs new mobile. उसे नया मोबाइल चाहिए. I need time. मुझे समय चाहिए. Next is we need money. हमें पैसा चाहिए. I need a phone. मुझे एक फ़ोन चाहिए. Hope you understood about चाहिए by doing these sentences. Now, let me clear you about want and need. I want water, it shows desire and wish. And I need water shows necessity and tired. The meaning of these two words are different in English, but in Hindi, The meaning is will remain same. मुझे पानी चाहिए. There is no difference in Hindi sentence. One more example is here. I want a new phone and I need a new phone. The intention of these two sentences are different, but in Hindi it will remain same. मुझे एक नया फ़ोन चाहिए. मुझे एक नया फ़ोन चाहिए. Hope you understood well the difference between चाहता and चाहिए. If you like this video, so do not forget to support me by subscribing my YouTube channel. Thank you. धन्यवाद.